What's going on, everybody? Paul Tech here, and today we're going to be doing the unboxing and hands-on of the LG Aristo 2 for Metro PCS. So you can actually pick this up for free right now on a port over special, or it's also retailing for about $59 after all the instant rebates. So you can get this in store, or you can purchase this online. So taking a look at the back of the box there, you see some specifications: 5-inch HD IPS display, 13 megapixel phase detection autofocus rear camera with LED flash, 5 megapixel front facing camera, 16 gigabytes of ROM, 2 gigabytes of RAM, and a 1.4 gigahertz quad core processor. And I was definitely a fan of the original LG Aristo. Actually did an unboxing video on that, a full review. I thought it was a fantastic device, especially for the price. So opening up the box here, as you can see, you got the LG Aristo nestled right there. And I'm going to try to show you as much as I possibly can regarding the Aristo 2 here. I'm going to jump into the dialer, messaging application, settings. So as you can see, there it is. Now what's special about this is you got the face recognition to unlock the Aristo 2. I'm definitely going to set this up and show you just how well that works. And I put this off to the side. So what else do you get in the box? You are getting a removable 2410 milliamp hour battery. And you also get your welcome start guide. Now this is also in English and in Spanish, so you got your start guide there. You also get your travel adapter. Now unfortunately there's no type of quick charge on the Aristo 2 here, so just your basic travel adapter. And also included in the box is a micro USB data cable, so no type C on this device. And with the device itself here, the LG Aristo 2, so you got this front screen protector that does give you some more device information. You got a 13 megapixel rear facing camera, 5 in the front, 2 gigabytes of RAM, 16 gigabytes of internal memory, gesture shot for selfies, face recognition to unlock. Navigating around the device, to the right hand side there's absolutely nothing, no buttons whatsoever. And to the bottom you got your micro USB charging port and your 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. And taking a look at the left hand side, you'll see you got your spaced volume rockers there, so up and down. I like the fact that they are spaced. And then moving to the top of the Aristo 2 here, all you have there is a noise cancellation mic. And to the back of the LG Aristo 2, you're getting your 13 megapixel phase detection autofocus camera, LED flash, your power button there. Now that's not a fingerprint sensor, it's just a power button, LG branding, and then a back firing speaker. This back cover here, it does have this brushed metal type of look to it. It is a plastic back and it is very reflective, very glossy, and I noticed this will be picking up plenty of fingerprints. There's no doubt about it, but overall it's a very nice looking design to the LG Aristo 2. Now, one of the great things, in my opinion, about an all plastic device is the fact that the back cover is removable. It is replaceable. You can probably buy an inexpensive back cover if it does get damaged off of eBay. You can also buy additional batteries, swap them out, but removing that back cover does get you access to your nano SIM card, and then you can also input a micro SD card to expand the storage on the LG Aristo 2. So I'm going to go ahead and input the battery, back cover, and we're going to go ahead and power the LG Aristo on. And again, I'm going to try to give you as much information about this device in this unboxing and hands-on video. All right, so once again, keep in mind that back button is just the power button. It's not the fingerprint sensor. So I'm going to go ahead and power on the Aristo 2, see if we got any juice here, and yes, we do. I'll go ahead and remove that screen protector. And as you can see there, LG Life's Good, powered by Android. Again, you're getting that 5-inch HD IPS display, 5 megapixel front-facing camera, and I'm telling you, this device feels very light in the hand. Take a look at that new boot up animation from Metro PCS. Let me get this all set up, be right back. And I got the Aristo 2 all set up, ready to go. So you still got the double tap to wake, double tap to sleep option. You get quick access to your dialer and to your camera right from the lock screen. Then all you got to do is swipe to unlock. You get that screen unlock animation, and then there you are into the home screen. And up on top you got your date and weather widget, Google search bar, and then you got your Metro PCS folder there for a device unlock mobile hotspot. So remember, after 90 days you can unlock this device entirely for free on Metro PCS. Moving on from there, you got your Google folder there with Gmail, Maps, YouTube, music, photos, so just to name a few of the applications there. And jumping into the phone dialer, as you can see, the layout is a tad bit different here. You got HD calling, you got the video calling option, and then you can also have a text message option right there from the phone dialer, so actually pretty cool. And moving on from there, opening up the messaging application, and as you can see there, that is the basic keyboard layout. And then I'll also show you some of the pre-installed emojis that are on the LG Aristo 2 here. So I'll go through a couple of them just so you have an idea pretty much how everything looks here. So I'll go through these ones and go through a couple more. Moving on from the messaging application, I noticed out of the box there is no app drawer, so I'll definitely jump into settings and I'll see in just a moment if we do have an app drawer. So you do got this folder here which does say essentials. It's about 5 applications: your calculator, audio recorder, FM radio. Then you also have a management folder here for your files, smart cleaning, your downloads, just to name a few. And you also get LG Smart World. Pulling down the status bar, as you can see, there's already an Android system update available. You also got auto brightness on this, which is great. And then you also have your additional quick toggles up on top. So Capture Plus, Wi-Fi sound, Bluetooth, rotation, battery saver mode, comfort view. You have option to edit these. So all you got to do is just kind of drag and drop whichever quick toggles you want to have. You can also enable the volume and brightness. So when you pull down the status bar, you'll have quick access to volume and brightness. So next, I'll go ahead and jump into settings here. And I'm going to try to show you as much as I can within settings and all the features you are getting here. So you have an option to have this in list view, which some people might prefer, airplane mode, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. Then I should also mention that there is a mobile hotspot and USB tethering. No NFC on this device, so no Android Pay, no Android Beam or anything like that. And then moving on to display here. So we'll take a look at what we got. You can change the font type, font size. You can have the bold text, change the display size, comfort view, and also home touch button combination. This is one of my favorite things about LG devices, actually for the past couple years, is the fact that they allow you to rearrange the button combination, and they give you several different options from one button to pull down the notification panel for easier one-handed operation, Capture Plus, Q Slide. So you have those options available. And then also you have the option of changing the on-screen button's color from white to black. You have another option here to hide the home touch buttons, which is actually pretty cool. So if you don't want them visible, you have that option there. So the home touch buttons will automatically hide when they're not in use. And then you basically just kind of swipe up to have the on-screen buttons appear. You can basically choose within those applications if you want them to show or not to show. Jumping into home screen there, you got the option if you go into select home for the home and app drawer. So I've said this in the past, me personally on my Android devices, I like having an app drawer. So as you can see, that is how the app drawer looks. You got a search option up on top. And so, if you're coming from another LG device, you got that app drawer, looks very similar. And then you also have the option to change your wallpapers, screen swipe effect, icon shape, so you can have them look as original or a rounded square type of look for your icons. You can change the grid size, loop on the home screen. So, you also get a search by swiping down on the home screen, which is actually a pretty cool feature. And going into lock screen, under lock screen is where you're going to be able to set up the face recognition, and you also have smart lock. So I'm going to go ahead and set up my face. It does say find a place indoors that is not too bright or dim, hold your phone at eye level. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up. Kind of hard to do because I am behind the camera, but I'll go ahead and show you just how easy it is to set up the facial recognition here, and that's it. It's ready to use. You can now unlock the screen with your face. So I'm gonna go ahead and check this out, see how well it works. So I'll go ahead and try it, and bam, just like that, it unlocks the device. And let's go ahead and do it one more time. There we go. So I did notice that it says you can basically unlock the phone with the phone entirely off, or you can just go into your lock screen. I'll show you right here again, and it just unlocks, and it works really well. I'm actually pretty impressed by how well the face recognition works. It works super fast. I'm actually going to play with this facial recognition a little bit more, set it up in a better condition where I'm not behind the camera, but overall, very nice feature. And let's go ahead and jump into gaming. So you got a gaming option here, game tools, game graphics as well. So some good stuff that I'm seeing so far on the LG Aristo 2 here. And then I'll go ahead and move on from there, jumping into storage. So this does have 16 gigabytes of internal storage. And out of the box, it says I've used 7.23 gigabytes. But again, you can always remove the back cover, and then you can also input a micro SD card for expandable storage. And then moving on from there, you got your shortcut keys. So again, if you're coming from another LG device, this is going to look very similar to you. And then jumping into software info, this is rocking Android 7.1.2 November security patch. So I'm hoping we actually get an upgrade to Oreo on the LG Aristo 2. That'd be very cool. I'll go ahead and go into the camera application here, just kind of show you the camera interface. And again, 13 megapixel rear facing camera, 5 in the front. You get an option there where you can adjust the brightness, and shutter speed actually is fairly quick on this device. And you also have a little pull down tab there for sharing your photos out. And you'll also have some additional filters, about 6 or 5 different filters to choose from, kind of show you how it looks there. So you can have a little bit of fun while taking photos and videos. Jumping into settings here, you can adjust the photo size, and then the highest resolution you're going to be able to record in is going to be full HD, so 1080p resolution. You got your HDR option there, timer, cheese shutter, tag locations. And again, this was just a quick look at the camera interface. I'll go into more detail in the full review. But that's basically it. That was my unboxing and hands-on of the LG Aristo 2. Again, I know this unboxing was a little bit long, but I wanted to share with you as much information in this video as I possibly could. So far, I'm liking what I see here. It looks like a very good, affordable device, has some good features on it, and definitely stay tuned for the full review. Once again, if you enjoyed this unboxing and hands-on, please hit the thumbs up button, and please subscribe to the channel for more future videos. This is Paul Tech, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.